listen up. You have the opportunity to put yourself and your next generation in a very good financial position. If you think of yourself 20 years ago or 10 years ago and where you find yourself now, the question I have for you is, how beneficial has these last few years been for you? It's like regarding what you've put away, like where you are financially, and if you should continue on this trend for the next 10, 15, 20, 25 years, where is that going to leave you? Think of yourself as a 50-year-old, 55-year-old, doing the exact same things as what you're doing now. Ultimately, you don't want to be doing that. You want to be in a much better financial position. So you have the opportunity to put yourself in a good financial position in the next 15 to 25 years from now. Secondly, you have the opportunity to put the next generation in a good financial position. You can give your kids a head start in life. Maybe even that head start that you wanted when you were 20, 22, 25, that you were like, Jesse, I wish I had that head start in life. You are able to give it to somebody else. So don't waste the opportunity. Don't waste time. Start as soon as possible, because ultimately, the sooner you start, the more time you have to grow your money.